Hi, good evening. I'm Consulate Boke, the Vice Chairperson to Boresha Mazingira.
Copley for the UMA, the Organizing Secretary to Boresha Mazingira here to CBO.
My name is Wilson Ouma. I'm an executive member from CBO in Kisumu County. So this is to Boresha Mazingira yetu, and we are going to have an event, a mental health event with Mega Motive Corporations on the 10th of October about Mental Health Day.
Featuring Chapati Fest Season 2. And as to Boresha, we are proud to inform you that we shall be partners in the event.
This event, which has been organized by the Mega Motive Incorporation, is going to bring more than 75 organizations in Kisumu County, including the Kisumu County government itself. And as to Boresha Mazingira, we have things which we are going to do in this event.
Number one, we are going to take part in the tree planting session, whereby we shall come with the trees. Also, we are going to take part in the market cleaning session. We shall come up with we shall come with the requirements for the cleaning and also the mental health talks, since it's a World Mental Health Day. In terms of cleaning, we shall have some brooms and some gloves that shall be used during the market cleanup.
As an executive member in this organization, this is a CBO in Nyanza, Kisumu County. We are majorly dealing with environmental conservation and green energy. And we've been around for like around 3 years now. So we are going to have this big event, and it's going to be a partnership with a Mega Motive organization. We are going to target about over 700 street children. We are going to clean the market of Maseno and around some of the children's home. We are going to donate and show some love and care to these children. And we hope we are going to partner together, and we also invite some of the donors and interested organizations or individual students from Maseno University and beyond.
We welcome new members, we welcome donors, we welcome partners, and you can reach us through 07 13 277 697, the executive number. Thank you.